Dollars. Dollars.
How many dollars are you?
Hmm?
Oh! Oh, man.
Oh my. Dollars.
Dollars?
Dollars.
How much dollars?
Dollars.
You,
Yes. Oh.
you need the key? Where's the key? Oh!
Dollars.
Dollars. Oh! Oh!
Nice.
Yes, you have monies.
Yeah?
No, you need your credit card to go in there. Where's your credit card?
Oh.
Oh.
Whoa.
What's that?
Right.
No, you don't like that money? That's fake money?
No.
Where's your dollars?
Oh. Dollars.
Dollars. You cost $70?
Yeah.
Oh, man!
Dollars. Dollars.
How much dollars are you? Let's see. How much? $96!
Dollars.
Wow!
Dollars.
Yeah, you're a lot of dollars.
Dollars.
But where's your monies?
Oh.
Oh.
Nice. No? Mice?
Can I spank you?
No.
No, okay.
No mice?
No, monies they don't go in there.
No?
No.
Yeah?
No.
No?
No. Ah!
Mice. Dollars.
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 Ah!